Hello class, in this video we will discuss a question on uniform distribution of death and constant force of mortality. Now this is a question asked in September 2021 IFOA question. So let's discuss this question. What it says, a 1-year term assurance contract provides a death benefit of 1 lakh plus sum assured is 1 lakh payable at the end of the month of death. Very important, at the end of month we are talking about. Life age is 70, right? Calculate the expected present value of a contract assuming a constant force of mortality. So class, we have an assumption of CFM and we have to find the EPV of benefit of term assurance. Now class, if you check what is the formula for EPV of term assurance, so class, the person will get 1 lakh, sum assured is 1 lakh and benefit is given monthly class. So it's a new thing which we are seeing. So class, first benefit. So if the life age 70 is there, if the life die within the first month, he will get 1 lakh at the end of the month, right? So class, what is the present value of this? Can I say it is V1 by 12? And this benefit is given if the person die within the first month, right class? So this is my EPV for the first. Plus similarly, if the life die within the second month, he will get 1 lakh at the end of the second month. So class, the benefit is V2 by 12, 1 by 12 P70, Q70, 1 by 12, right? And sorry, 1 by 12 here also. Can I write? Now class, similarly, if die in the third month, 1 lakh is given. So it is class what? V3 by 12, 2 by 12 P70, Q 1 by 12 to 72 by 12. Correct? And class, last thing at the end of the 71, which is given 1 lakh. So class, this will so on. The last benefit is V raised to power 1, 11 by 12 P70, Q 70, 11 by 12. So class, in this way, first you have to solve the question roughly in your notebook, make a formula. Now class, we have to apply, UDD and CFM to solve this. So class, let's first apply the CFM, constant force of mortality. Now class, constant of force of mortality says my TPX is equal to 1px raised to power t if my t lie between 0 to 1. This is what we have done. Now class, to find 1 by 12 P70, what do you get? So it is 1 by 12, sorry, not P70, Q70. So this is 1 minus 1 by 12 P70, which is 1 minus 1 P70 raised to power 1 by 12. This is what we get. Fine. Any problem? Similarly, class, if you check this part, how to find this one? So class, this is what? Q70 plus 1 by 12 and this is 2 by 12 minus 1 by 12, right? And class, if you remember the formula, we have T minus S Px plus S. This is 1px raised to power T minus S, right? So class, in short, if I apply that formula here, I will get again 1 minus 1px, 1p70 rather than, whole raised to power 1 by 12, right? And similarly, this also 1 minus 1p70 raised to power 1 by 12, right? So that means my Q part is same for all. There is no change, right? And for P class, this become 1p70 raised to power 1 by 12. This become 1p70 raised to power 2 by 12, and class this become 1p70 raised to power 11 by 12. So class, hope you understood the number line. If you understood the number line, class, we can easily now replicate this in Excel, right? So class, let's try this in Excel now. So class, we have sum assured as 1 lakh. Remember, age is 70, and class, my interest rate is 1% per month, and this is my mortality 0.012437. So class, let me write this first. So class, my mortality is 0.012437. Sum assured is 1 lakh, and interest is 1%. Very important, it is per month, right? So class, this is the information we have given. Now class, age is 70, initial age 70. And the first benefit जहां पर मिलना है class, it is equivalent to what? This plus 1 by 12, right? Second then class, ऊपर वाले में हम plus 1 by 12, and class we can make it till end, right? So let me adjust the decimal places. Now class, what is my present value? So class, present value we have seen, this is given as V1 by 12, V2 by 12, and class हमें interest already 1% per month ही given है. So class, we can find the present value, discount back 1 by 1 plus I raised to power, class since it is month, तो power में month ही आएगा, right? And class, let me fix C5 because the interest is same in all the cells, right? You can copy this formula. You can do the copy and class select all and paste. See, we get the present value. Now class, after the present value, now we have, I'm using the first thing we are doing, CFM, constant force of mortality we are talking about. So class, first we are finding 1 by 12 Q70, right? This is the constant thing. And class, how to find 1 by 12 Q70? We have just seen it is 1 minus, so class, this is the formula 1 minus 1 by 12 P70, and this is 1 minus 1 by 1 P70 raised to power 1 by 12. So class, first, if this is my Q70, what is my P70? Let me write here. My P70 will be 1 minus this part, right? This is my P70. So class, it is equivalent to 1 minus bracket. This is my P70 dollar fix कर दीजिए class raised to power 1 by 12. Fine. So class, this is my probability for 1 by 12 Q70, and class, it remain same throughout all the 12 months. Let me copy it, right? Now class, if you talk about the TPX part, that is the interesting one. So class, for time 0, my TPX for the first month, my TPX is what? 1 only, right? So class, here is actually the person surviving is 0p70, right? Because in the first month the person is dying, so that is why it is 1 only, right? So that is why I have taken 1 class. Now class, for the next month is what? We need 1p70 raised to power 1 by 12, right? So class, what do you get? This is my 1p70 in class dollar raised to power plus, and it is changing. It is 1 by 12, 2 by 12, and so on. So class, I am taking 1 here divided by 12, right? क्योंकि नेक्स्ट में क्या आएगा 2/12, 3/12 एंड सो ऑन, and class control down. Fine. So class, this is my tpx, right? Now class, we need to find expected present value. And what is the expected present value? Class, sum assured dollar into present value into the probability, right? And the probability is q and t. So I repeat again class, first one is my sum assured. Sum assured को मैंने present value से multiply किया, then I multiply with the probability of q and t. Enter. Now class, copy this formula in complete row, select a complete column and control down, and class then alt equal to. See class, this is my answer for the CFM, constant force of mortality. This is what the expected present value of benefit. Fine. Now class, similarly we have to apply the UDD part. So let's apply UDD here. Now class, let's apply UDD now. So class, equation of EPV of present value remains same. Just we have to apply UDD. That means my TQX is what? T into QX if T lie between 0 to 1. And class, we have another formula T minus SQX plus S is equal to T minus S into QX divided by 1 minus S into QX for both S and T lie between 0 to 1, right? Now class, if you check the first, this is nothing but 1/12 into Q70, right? Now class, 1/12 P70 can be written as what? 1 minus 1/12 Q70, right? Now class, to get the value of this, we write 2/12 minus 1/12 Q70 plus 1/12, right? Now class, if you apply this formula now, that T minus S QX plus S, so class, what we get? So T minus S is class 1/12 into Q70 divided by class denominator is 1 minus S is 1/12 into Q70 class. So class, numerator and denominator will get cancelled. We left with only this, right? Similarly class, when you check for the next one, what do you get? This is class 1 minus 2/12 into Q70, and class, this is what? 3/12 minus 1/12 70 plus 2/12, correct class? So class, when you write here, it is what? T minus S, sorry, it is 2/12, not 1/12, sorry, right? So class, what do you get? It is T minus S is again 1/12 only, Q70 divided by, and class, this is 1 minus my S is this time 2/12 Q70. So class, again my numerator and denominator get cancelled. We left with the same thing, 1/12 Q70. See, here also we get this, here also we get this. And class, similarly, if you check the last one also, you will get the same result, 1 minus 11/12 Q70. And class, if you solve this, you will get same result, 1/12 Q70. Denominator is 1 minus 11/12 Q70. And class, since we are using the UDD, uniform distribution of that death, that means if you die in any month from x to x plus 1/12 or any month, the probability of death remain same, right? That is what the assumption we are having. So that is why we are getting same result here. So let's apply this logic So that means class V, if I get 1 by 12 Q70, that is the probability of, we have to calculate. So class, let's apply this UDD. So class, I'm just writing the probability. I'm not writing TQX and all because we have already seen that logic. So class, the probability is what? 1 by 12 into Q70. And class, put the dollar sign here. So class, this is my probability, right? And class, need to find expected present value. How to find expected present value? So class, sum assured into the present value into the probability. Fine. So class, control down and then alt equal to. Fine. And class C, you are getting the same result as you are getting in CFM. Almost थोड़ा सा point में थोड़ा सा difference है. That is just because of we are taking a round of values and all. So otherwise class, it is same answer. So this is a question they have asked in last 2021 question. So hope you understood this.